Nice and lovely. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. It's coming up to Christmas, and you know, Christmas time, you know what I mean, everyone doing pigs and blanket, they're doing stuffing, they're doing their roast, they're doing all sorts of different kind of ideas and different kind of stuff. But anyway, I have my idea which I've been sharing with my fans over the last couple of weeks about getting things, how you can do things in Christmas. Anyway, we want to do pigs and blanket again. This is going to be the small sachets. A few weeks ago we do the large sachets, so we want to do the small one just to show the fans and what you can do this Christmas. So basically, you can go to any local shop, a supermarket, buy your meat shop, and buy the mini sachets just like this. And this is the bacon. All right. Basically, what we're going to do, make sure you got a scissors, and also you can wear egg gloves if you do like, if you doesn't mind. Very nice and lovely. All you can do is at home for this Christmas, for you and the kids, and for them to make them happy and welcome. So what we're gonna do, this is how the bacon look. So I'm gonna use my scissors and I'm gonna simply cut it into half, because we're not going to be using one long bacon just for these small sachets. Simple. Pin off the sachets on just like this, using scissors. If you got gloves, wear gloves. Very more easier for you to use. And as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. And this is Christmas pork sachets, guys. Beautiful and nice. So I'm just saying, you can do the same thing at home this Christmas. I'm just showing my fans what you can do for Christmas, guys. So after you do that, get a piece of a bacon and simple, wrap it around it like this, and this is how we're going to be doing it. All these one, you can get them ready and put them in your freezer ready for Christmas. When Christmas coming, not gonna have time, because these takes a little time to do. But as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Do takes a little time. And I know you guys are gonna love it. So basically, that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. If you notice, I start to lay them right here like this on a piece of a grease-proof paper and an oven tray, and I'm gonna do all of my sachets, and you guys gonna see the way how they look when I finish with them. All right, enjoy it. Lovely and nice. So basically, yes, this is the way it look. As you can see, two things you can either, if you got a big freezer, you can freeze this and get it ready for Christmas. Get this out the way. But basically, I'm just doing a video at this moment to show you guys how you can do this for Christmas. If you got a big family, or if you got a small family, you know what I mean, you can buy 2 pack of sachets and a pack of bacon, do some pigs and blanket. This is a small one, and hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Now we're going to bake this in the oven for roughly 25 minutes to 30 minutes in the oven, and gas mark 8 or 9 on a medium size heat. Electric oven, it will be 175 or 165 Fahrenheit. So it's going to be like 330 or 360 degree. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Get ready, get prepared for Christmas. We got a few weeks to go for Christmas, but you need to get things going at the moment, guys. So pigs and blanket is a must on the menu. If it doesn't eat pork, you don't have to do this one. You can do the beef one, beef sachets also. Or if it doesn't eat these kind of sachets, remember also pigs in the blanket got sulfide and cereal. If you're allergic to these things, be careful. Read the instruction on the pork sachets box before you do all these ingredients. Anyway guys, so remember, now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, if not 25 minutes in the oven. Gas mark 8 or 9. If you're using electric oven, 175 or 165. Some oven 220 or 180. Alright, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Just take the pigs and blanket from the oven. Look at the color. So basically what we're going to do is get this. Look at this. Get a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Not too much. Simple. Just sprinkle it a little bit on top of it like this. Don't have to be too much. And simple. Just mix it up like this. Get that lovely color. Nice one. But as you can see, this is exactly what we're talking about when we say pigs and blanket must be perfect, looking good, nice color, and also the family will be happy and they will be enjoying this one. Look at that, really nice. So I'm gonna share them out and make you guys see how they look. Nice one. So as you can see, this is the pigs and blanket right there for Christmas. Looking lovely, nice and fantastic. And I know you guys will like the recipe. So please subscribe, leave your comments below, very important. And also thank you for watching. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you for Christmas and the family. Have a lovely weekend, enjoy yourself, and prepare, get ready for Monday morning. Alright guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with Chef Ricardo. Thank you.